It's the type of loan and the terms is what comes next. First, your loan term. The term is the length of the repayment process that can be different time frames. The most popular are 15, 20, or 30 years in length. Most home mortgages are 30 years, but very few remain to end in 30 years of payment. Along with the term of the loan, different types of interest rates are structured. For instance, a fixed interest rate is traditional with a 30-year term. That stays the same rate for the length of the loan. You can find adjustable rates, or ARMs as they're called, where in the beginning the interest rate starts low and fluctuates over the term of the loan. It is important to understand how the fluctuations will affect your monthly payment as you move forward in the loan before you choose this payment option. FHA loans are partially insured by the Federal Housing Administration.